Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the biggest IPO of the year, Tata Capital IPO 2025. The issue size is over 15,500 crores rupees, opening on 6th October and closing on the 8th October. The price band is 310 to the 326 rupees per share. Now the big question is, should you apply or not? Is the IPO is good or not? Let's check out. So before I go into the details, let me give a quick answer. If you are looking for a listing gains, then yes, there seems to be a small upside. Based on the GMP, it is around 5% upside if the market condition remains stable. If you are a long-term investor, Tata Capital is a strong brand with a diversified loan book and a good digital presence. But remember, NPAs are slowly rising and the IPO is priced a little high. So in short, it is a good for quality long-term investors. But if you are expecting a huge listing pops like some other IPOs, then maybe keep some expectations will be in the check. Now let's look at the IPO details. The total IP, the total issue size is 15,512 crores. The price band is between 310 to the 326 rupees. The IPO opens on the October 6th and closes on the 8th October. The expecting listing is around the 13th October. One lot has 46 shares, so minimum investment is roughly 15,000 rupees. The money raised will be mainly used for the capital adequacy and business growth. And of course, since it is backed by a Tata group, there is a strong trust and demand in the market. So what does the Tata Capital does? So what is this business? So let's check it. In simple words, they are the one of the biggest NBFCs in India. Basically a company that gives loans. They give consumer loans like home loans, personal loans and car loans. They provide business loans to small and medium companies. They also fund corporates for projects and work capital. On top of this, they have a wealth management and insurance distribution business. The biggest advantage is they are spread across India, have a diversified business. And because of the Tata name, they can borrow money at cheaper rates and compared to others. So let's talk about the financial performance. The loan book has grown very strongly in the past years. Revenue is also grown well and profit also increasing, but not at the same speed because operating costs and credit costs are higher. NPAs or bad loans have also gone up little. It's not alarming yet, but definitely something to keep an eye on it. Their cost to income ratio has improved thanks to the digital sourcing, but still not at the level of best players like Bajaj Finance. So overall, Tata Capital is expansion mode. Growth is strong, but they need to manage asset quality carefully. So what are the risks in this IPO? Every IPO has its own risk, and Tata Capital is also one of them. So first, there is a credit cycle risk. If the economy slows down, loan defaults can rise quickly. Second one, their fast growth is lending may bring higher band loans later. Third, there is a strong competition. Bajaj Finance and big banks are very aggressive in the same segments. And lastly, valuation. Tata Capital is coming at a premium price, so its growth slows. If a growth slows or margin falls, the stock can derate. Now, talking about the valuation and GMP. Now let's come to a valuation and grey market premium. The price band is 310 to the 326. So currently the grey market premium is showing a small positive around 5 to 8%. That means on listing day, if market stays stable, you may see a small listing gains. So let's see what happens in the future days. So now who should apply? So actually the IPOs are for the everyone's. So if you are someone who wants to invest in a large brand backed NBFCs with a diversified growth, and you are the okay to hold if it is a long term, then yes, you can consider applying. But if you are looking for a big listing pops, or if you don't likes the ups or downs of NBFC, then maybe skip or apply with a small amount. So you can apply through your brokers like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks, like that. Go to the IPO section, select Tata Capital, enter the lot size, which is a 46 minimum, cutoff price, choose the cutoff price, approve the UPI payment. This is all about my analysis. So that was the complete review of the Tata Capital IPO. What do you think? Are you applying or skipping? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, please give it like and subscribe to the channel.